Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the truth about multiple streams of income. So, let's get started right now. So, to a lot of people, and especially people that are just starting out, multiple streams of income sounds amazing. And trust me, it is. You hear all these stories about people, about how the average millionaire has 7 streams of income and how that's amazing, how this is the way to go. If you don't have multiple streams of income, you're a failure. Well, guess what? That's absolutely not true. You do need multiple streams of income. However, you do need to start with one thing and one thing only, and that is one stream of income. A lot of people focus on having multiple streams of passive income and how that's great, but if you don't have one source of income at all, you do need to get that first stream of income started. And you need to figure that out first. And if you want passive income, that doesn't exist until you put in the work. And once you've put in the work, then you can start having passive income. But I've talked about this in another video, which I'll try to find and link it somewhere up there on the screen or down there in the description. But this is the first thing. You need to get started and you need to put in the work to have that first stream of income, and then you'll start to have, then you can have passive income. So you need your first stream of income and you need a game plan to get to that point. So in order to do that, just like I talked about, you do need to put in the work and you need to create content. That is what I mean by putting in the work. You need to create content, and there are multiple ways to do this, but I highly suggest that you build a personal brand, and that doesn't have to be in the making money online niche. If you're not interested that much in it or anything, you can do this in any niche. If you're interested in something, chances are you can make money with that. Before you have the multiple streams of income, you need to create a ton of content. You really need to get the ball rolling, and you need to pump out content and more and more and more, and keep doing this for a long time. So now you've got that first stream of income that's getting started. Maybe it's your Shopify store, maybe it's Amazon, maybe it's your YouTube channel, maybe it's your blog. It can be a ton of different things, but you do need to get that first stream of income started. So now, how do you get multiple streams of income? The first thing is you need to build an email list in your first stream of income. So whether that's your YouTube channel, whether that's your blog, whether that's anything else, you need to build an email list. And I have a video on doing this. I'll try and link an autoresponder in the description, which if you don't know what that is, that's how you build an email list and send out some emails. So if you're interested in that, which you should be, I'll link one in the description. So you need to start generating leads. How do you generate leads? Well, you give something away for free. So this is most likely an ebook helping people out. So if you're in the workout niche, you can have a free ebook where people have to enter their email to get it for free. So for example, you can have an ebook telling people the 7 exercises so that they can lose weight or build muscle or anything like that. And you can find this in any niche, so just find out what people do in your niche. You can do the same, it doesn't really matter. So how you can do this in any niche. I just took the workout niche because this is a very famous one, but you can do this in any niche literally. So now you have their email, and you send them an email giving them a ton of value, which the ebook gives them value, so they're very happy about that. They get their ebook, which helps them out a ton. And then you can sell them, for instance, another ebook that's way more valuable, that costs them $7. and $7 is very cheap. So if they got value for their first ebook, they'll probably enjoy having the $7 one and buy it from you. And that's your first stream of income. You get the $7 ebook. However, you don't stop there. $7 is just the starting point. And I say $7, it depends on your niche, it depends what you're selling. So it really does, $7 is just an example. You just have to figure out what's best for you. But this is the starting point, so it's something that's not very expensive. So what you need to do is have a value ladder. And I've talked about this in another video, which I'll try and think of and link in the description. But if I don't, I'll just tell you what it is really quick. A value ladder is where you start and you have just steps of things that get more and more expensive. So you have your first product that costs $7. So that's your advanced ebook that people get value from. Then you have a Facebook group, for example, that costs people $50 to get in. So if they get value from that $7 ebook, and they got value from the first product that was for free, then there's a good chance that some of the people will be interested in getting that $50 product or Facebook group. And I say Facebook group, again, these are just examples, but you can do this in other things. The important thing is that it's a bit more expensive and a lot more valuable than the previous product. People need to be happy to pay $7 and $50 and so on. If people are not happy about it, they won't go to the next product. So you have to pack in so much value that people will be really happy about it. And after that, you can sell people the course. You made an amazing course that's got so much value in it, and that costs $9.97. And $9.97, by the way, is quite cheap for a course. Some courses are so much more expensive that it's insane. So $9.97 is not that expensive. People need to make a commitment to get in the course. If they pay more money to get in the course, then they'll be so much more into it and go step by step, because they know it's a big investment for them and they want to go through that course all the way and do everything that they can so that they can succeed in whatever niche it is. And that's, again, that's just an example. $9.97, you can do less, you can do more, but however, if you sell your course too cheap, people are not going to take it seriously. So make sure that you sell your course at a decent price, that it's expensive enough. And that sounds crazy, but it does have to be that way. And if you've taken a course before, which I have, you know what I'm talking about. And just like that, you have multiple streams of income. You have that $7 one, the $50 one, and that $9.97 one. That's already 3 sources of income. And these are just 3 quick examples that I made, but you can have so much more in there, just helping people out, giving them so much value that they just want to get the next product and the next one and the next one and the next one. As long as you're giving them a ton of value, they will want the next one. And that's just how the human works. If you give me a ton of value, I'm happy about it, well, I'll be very happy to pay for the next one. So it's not being scammed, it's just selling people what they want and giving them a ton of value and helping people out. That's the basics of making money online, or making money in general. So what's great about building an email list as well is, one, it's your own. So nobody's going to take that down. It's yours. You can do whatever you want with it. The other thing is that if you enjoyed a product, just like I talked about, I have had products that I really liked. Some people sold products to me. I really enjoyed them. So what do? You promote that same product to your email list. That way, the product that you really enjoyed, that you liked, that has helped you out, then you promote it to your email list, and now you're making money from that same product that you actually paid for. And that's amazing, because I can almost guarantee that there are some products that you've bought that you didn't even know had an affiliate link, and most products do. If people are selling a product online, there's a very big chance that they have an affiliate program, because if they don't, they are behind. And if they're beginners, that's understandable, but if they're at least a medium-sized company, then there's a very good chance that they have an affiliate program. So you can just promote that if it helped you out, and now you're making money instead of losing money. So that was the video for today. Make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting so much more content, videos all the time, every day. So make sure that you do subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.